Start with the beautiful title name of Almighty Allah, who is Rahman and Rahim. Today I am going to talk about how to live your life. This may be a common question for you. This may be a stupid question for you. But this question which I am going to talk about, how to live your life, it has very great impact in your life. Let me clear you one thing. You may think now, you may thinking right now, we are living our lives. And what is need to know about it? Everyone is living their life, and I'm not talking about how to live your life effectively, whatever. I'm simply commonly saying how to live your life. So question comes in your mind, we are living, so why we have to listen you? Let me clear you, there are a lot of people, all of us, we are not living our lives, we are surviving. What does it mean? Surviving means only we are passing our time, only means we are spending our life, but we are not living our life. So what is living? How to live it? A lot of answer comes in our mind, but I'm going to help you. I'm going to tell you which is proved by history, which in any perspective, religious, humanity, any perspective, all the main theme of it is I'm going to tell you. For living your life, you need to do only some things, only few things. Then you will know what was the difference between surviving and living. Today I am going to help you, and this is not only for you, this is for me too. This is for everyone, how to live their lives. Because we don't know what will be tomorrow. We don't know will be there or not. So till that time we are alive, we have to live every moment of our life. So for living our life, we need to do all these things. As like you need to do something. The first thing is that be the reason of someone's smile. Bring happiness to everyone's face. If you cannot bring happiness, smile to everyone's face, at least every day, per day, you need to bring smile one person's face. Because everyone is fighting in their life. Everyone has problem, including me, you, all of us. But when you take out few minutes from your personal problems, from your personal life, when you take out few minutes and think about how to make someone happy, this is the sign you are living your life, you are not surviving. So let the people to be happy. Do you know that when we make someone smile, all the nature, creature will help us to be happy, to be the reason of someone's smile. Everyone is fighting, everyone has problem, but from now you have to be the reason of someone's smile. If you go for the second thing that you have to do, that is try to help at least one person each day. Everyone is living, everyone is working for themselves. From now, at least one person, but you have to help. That help can be any way, but while helping someone, not to show off, while helping someone, not to tell him I'm doing this, not to show off on social media, whatever is this. Help someone very secretly, quietly. You will see how you will get pleasure, how you will be happy. Help at least one person every day. If we are helping, if we will help someone, so that day will be one of the beautiful days of our life. Keep these things in your mind. Be the reason of someone's smile and help at least one person each day. And the third thing you need to do for living your life, not surviving and the world and the remaining are, you need to live your life. The third thing you have to do is create opportunities for others. Create opportunities for others. It's indicating that find search ways that will help someone. If I'm searching for me a job, I'm doing everything for me. I have to think about others because there is very good saying, what you like for yourself. It's your right. You have to like this. You have to go and buy this for your brother. Try to create opportunities for the world, for the remaining. You are living for yourself from now. 1% of your life you have to dedicate to the world, to the humanity, to the nature, to animals. Then you will know you were surviving. Now you will live your life. And the fourth thing you need to do in any case, that is add value in someone's life. Add value means that try to appreciate someone. Is someone you doing best? Appreciate. Try to add value. Buying a thing from a shop. Tell the shopkeeper, I appreciate your work. I love to come here again and again. This will make them much proud. This will help them to give their interest to their work more and more. You cannot believe our small word can change someone's life. Create and give value to everyone. If someone is sitting with me, my gathering, in my company, in my office, anywhere, I have to make him feel proud. I have to make him feel superior. This looks very small, but it is all about you. Then you will know when the last day comes of your life, you will not regret about anything. There was very good saying. A lot of people who think when we will be successful, we will help the world, will help the humanity, will help some others. But till your success, it is not possible. Will you reach there or not? When you reach there, will you help or not? So when your journey is going on, help everyone. When you will reach your goal, 2 and 3 successes you get there. You are helping from the first day of your life. Because if today I'm working hard for me, it will only benefits me. If I will help someone, if I will work for the world, that will benefits the world. So tomorrow there will be no one to take our name. That's not a problem. Tomorrow there would be someone, there would be anything that has been created by us that is helping the world. That is still the reason of someone's smile. Try to find ways to help the world, because we don't know what happened tomorrow. We don't know what is the next. That's why today is the best day. Fifth thing you have to do is every day give something to anyone, to any person, to the world. As like this, I'm going on way, I may buy bunch of flower. So while going, I'll give to my office employees or anyone. I may buy book and give to someone every day. I'm not saying you to buy expensive thing, small thing. There was a teacher that had value in my life. He had every time cookies in his bag. Whenever a baby, whenever anyone who was feeling sad, emotional, he was providing that. That cookie might be 10 to 5 rupees. That will make the front one much happier than that. You cannot think about it. There are a lot of things. Nature. If you cannot give anything something, every day, every morning, try to water your garden. Try to water a tree. This is the mean of giving. Try to pay a good salam to someone. Ask about someone's health. Go to hospitals, ask about patients. This is living a life. This is original of life. Before you were surviving, now you are living it. And the last thing you have to do is, everyone thinks about their goals. Everyone is working for their goals, their personal goals. From now, you have to create some goals that will be not only for you, that will be only for the remaining world. That may be for my family, that may be for my nation, that may be for my country, for anyone, but not particularly for me. Why? Everyone is dreaming for themselves. The one who's dreaming, who's having a goal for the world, that's originally successful. From now, live your life and add all these qualities in your life. You will be much happier. Because before I said, we don't know when the time comes, we may fly. This is the reason I'm requesting everyone. This may be the last. Tomorrow may be the last. This year may be the last. That's why. Try to find reasons that will help someone, that will bring someone's smile, face happiness. That is the reality of life. That is the beauty of life. So, from my side, I appreciate you for being with me till now. And I believe that you learned a lot of things. I believe that you will add all these things in your life. They're very small steps, but they will bring very big impact in you and in life. You will live your life, you will not survive it. Thank you so much. Wish you all the best. Thank you.